She told him he was practicing mind sweeping.
Good job, Clark.
Boys are smart.
Boy, he's doing a good job.
Oh yeah, yeah. This floor needs it too. Good job. Oh yeah. So smart you are.
Way to go, Clark.
You look just like Daddy.
Oh, Mom.
What are we gonna do?
Found that one. Now what?
Okay, just be careful of your head. Oh. Is it Henry's turn now?
Henry's turn.
Huh? Mop? Can you say mop? You need help? Yeah, you need help because Henry's got it. Okay, I'll stop video.